So she's so cute. Today it's cool enough that I can have the windows down. I made muffins yesterday. It just feels like the perfect time for a nice little fall vlog. I have on this like cute little dress with this long sleeve, you know, whatever. And I'm gonna do my makeup and we're just gonna have a little fun at home day. Yee, I'm so excited. I'm looking a little bit Mormon right now. Wow, I haven't felt this way about myself in quite some time. My everyday makeup routine, 5 products, 2 brushes. I do a little bit of powder on my eyebrows. I actually dyed my eyebrows yesterday, so I don't need too much. Just like a little bit to give it some more definition. Cream highlight on my inner corner, my eyelid, under my eyebrow, and a little bit on my nose. Actually, I lied, you need another brush for glitter. I have been putting glitter on my inner corner and like under my eye for quite some time now. When I went to Japan at the beginning of last year, a lot of the girls there did glitter under their eye, and I thought it was just like the cutest thing ever, so I've been just doing that ever since. I have this gold glitter. The applicator is a bit too wide, like it's like a lip gloss one, so I just put some here, and then I use a little brush like this. I just take a little in the brush and put it in the corner, under my eye, and a little bit on the top. It's just like a fun extra thing to do with your makeup. Brown mascara on the top. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex, and then this one has a smaller wand, so I just use this on my bottom lashes, which I got at Daiso, and she's done. That is my under 5-minute everyday makeup routine. It's like partly cloudy, a little sunny today. Again, the weather is so perfect, and I have not really felt the want or need to decorate for fall, but I was like, you know what? Maybe it will bring me a little bit of joy. And maybe I just need a little bit of joy. We're here at my bed because under my bed I have a Minnie Mouse suitcase full of decorations because I did not know where else to put them. Look at that UGG box full of decorations. Decoration haul. This pumpkin, green pumpkin. A hanging Happy Halloween wooden pumpkin. The ASMR, you can't put a price on that. Plaid pumpkin. A felt pumpkin that reminds me of my hair texture a little bit, so it kind of freaks me out, but I also kind of like it because of that. Another green pumpkin. And then a mini felt pumpkin. I gotta put my hair up. I cannot keep looking at myself like this. One moment. This might actually be worse. Okay, and then I have 3 garlands, gold with orangish pumpkins. Another of that same one. This one is like little ghosties, and they're like pink rose gold adjacent-ish. And then one last one. This one's so cute. Little orange pom-poms on it. Girl, who put this up? This is a disaster. Little ghosties and then little skulls. I did just change my hair again, but I'm going to act like I did it. It's not a massive amount of decorations. My goal for this year is to not buy any holiday decor whatsoever. So this is what we're dealing with, okay? And besides, I think that this is all like really cutesy and it's perfect. Okay, now I have to decide where to put all of these. So let's just get started, shall we? My room is pretty much already decorated, not for fall, but in like pinks, blues, flowers, all of that. And I know adding more decorations will be a lot, but I am trying to get more in touch with my inner maximalist. I'm gonna show you what we're working with here so you can have an idea. I'm just trying to show off my space that I've worked so hard on, whatever. So over here I have my slow poke, my desk with my sewing machine. There's a lot going on over here, but I will be putting like some pumpkins on my desk and whatnot. This is my pink blue flowery bed, but behind it I have this like light thing, and I love to put a little garland on the back of that because it just looks cute. And then over here by my suitcase with my decorations in it, I have this little side table, and I will put some pumpkins in here as well. The bathroom, which looks a little dark and moody and scary, maybe some decorations in here. I don't know. Truly, the world is my oyster and I am just excited. Okay, I'm excited to bring a little bit of fall joy into my life, girl. I need it. The ghosty witch one, always reserved for this. It just looks so cute, and it's probably my only decoration that's pink and kind of goes with the rest of the room. So just by default, it just works out that way. If you see any dust flying off of here, for my sake, ignore it. It's so cute, and then it kind of like shimmers when the wind blows, and stuff. Yes, yes, yes. She's so cute. It's so fall. I mean, you can't really tell, but I know, and you know now, okay? And that's all that matters. My desk kind of has a lot going on, so maybe I should like organize it a little bit before I add even more stuff to it. And I should probably like wipe it down. Okay, that's kind of a lot going on, but whatever, we'll let her be. As I mentioned, I also have this bedside table over here, and maybe you can tell, maybe you can't, it's very dirty. So we will clean this and then we can start decorating. Look at this little thing I keep on my nightside table. I thrifted it very recently. It's like a little storage thing. I'm guessing it's for jewelry, but I use it for my scrap fabric. I love the color palette of it. The only thing I don't love is like this little like butterfly thing on the top. Honestly, I could probably peel it off, but I'm a little scared for what's under it. I love the hand painted stuff and I love the colors and the patterns. I just think it is so, so cute. Not horrible, not the worst I've seen it, but not ideal. Before we get into the decorating, let's go have lunch because I am dreaming of my salad, and I will show you it in case you have a Trader Joe's near you. It is my favorite salad kit of all time. There's this woman I follow on TikTok. Her name is like Trader Joe's Talia or something like that, and she just shows like the new and returning products, and sometimes she like taste tests them too. Oh my god, I was sitting there refreshing her page every single day until I knew that they had the salad. I didn't even see it on her page. I went in myself because I was sick and tired, and then they finally had it. Okay, let's go have it. Ooh, I'm foaming at the mouth thinking about it. The most important part of this salad is having a massive silver bowl. It makes the salad taste better and you feel like a professional chef. So this is the Harvest Apple Salad Kit. It has spring mix, unexpected cheddar cheese, apple cinnamon chips, and pecans with an apple vinaigrette. Like, look at that. It's so beautiful. Look at that. You get the unexpected cheese, the dried cinnamon apple. It's so good. I am fed. I have my decaf iced chai. The breeze is blowing. Oh, I'm so up. Let's get back to decorating. We will do this little corner first. I don't know what would really go well. Oh, this is kind of cute. Oh my god, you see the blinds? Like the breeze is blowing, okay? Like that looks like a hidden Mickey. It's kind of cute. Ooh, we're keeping her. I feel like the green ties into the green of the plant and it looks good. Okay, so for the desk, we have these 3 pumpkins to choose from. They're all kind of big. In an ideal world, it would be like this. Oh, even one is cute. I kind of like just one. Let me see this. Ooh, that is kind of cute. Yeah, okay, we're doing that. I usually like to put something by the mirror because it's kind of fun. I have this little Happy Halloween sign. I don't really use the closet door that much, but every other door is like opened and closed pretty regularly. So I think I'll put this here. That is cute. Okay. Oh my god. No, this one's not gonna work. Oh, like, is this too much? That kind of looks like ass. We'll try this one. Yeah, okay, this is it. Cute. I normally do the skull one because it's like skinny mini. Anyways, who cares? It's good. I changed the pumpkins from this side to this side because it's like sticking out in the walkway. These are the only 2 decorations left. I don't think I'll use them in my room. Probably gonna just find a random place in my house to put them. All of the pumpkins and the tinsels are placed. Like, look at this. This is fun. Come on, girl, it's fun. It doesn't look weird in my bedroom as a 26-year-old woman. It's fun. Okay, I'm going to show you what the decorations look like because they look really cute and fun. I'm glad I went with the brown pumpkin because I feel like it stands out, but it still looks really cute with it all. And then this tinsel, it looks so cute. Oh my god, like I said, when the wind blows and then they look all shiny. Oh my god, look how effing cute this is. I like the different colors. This looks very cute. Pumpkins over here by this mirror. It looks so cute with my little fall outfit too. And then the last thing is this door hanging thing. I almost forgot. I have blankets and I do have a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin one, but that is in my living room. I do have this one here. It's so soft and cozy. It's like plaid and it has this like tan and white and reddish color. I usually use this for Christmas, but I feel like this is still fall, no? Let's put this out. And then this is the last decoration I have. Yes, it feels so good in here. Lately, I've been really into making my bed in like a messy way because I feel like it looks cozier. Oh my god, it's so cute with the little pumpkins and then that little pumpkin, then that garland. Yes, this is so nice. Okay, it's time to relax and yap a bit. My 2 favorite things ever. I used to tell everyone what I was reading. I just got a little bit busy and I just haven't been reading that often. But girl, I am back so hard. So I'm currently reading 2 different books. One nonfiction and one smut. Yes, I'm admitting it. I am about halfway through reading Swift and Saddled, the Rebel Blue Ranch series. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you've seen it. It's very popular. The first one was Done and Dusted. This is what the first one looks like. Girl, I'm eating it up. I love anything with like cowboys and stuff like that. I had a country phase when I was in middle school. I begged my parents to shell out $100 to spend on some cowboy boots. I'm devastated that I don't have them anymore. I don't know where they went. I wore them maybe twice and I hate myself. I do, because I wish I had them. So anything to do with cowboys, The Longest Ride, that's like the bull riding movie. Girl, I'm all over it. I love it. I love it. And then the second book I'm reading is called Girl on Girl. This is the nonfiction one. How Pop Culture Turned a Generation of Women Against Themselves by Sophie Gilbert. And Swift and Saddled, I forgot to mention, is by Lila Sage. This is what the nonfiction book looks like. I do like to read about feminist movements and all of that. I have a hard time when the book is like so old that the modern part is now not modern. Then I'm like, okay, but what about now? Like, what do you have to say about now? Like, I just feel so curious about what they think. This one was published, I think the end of April of 2025. It's perfect. Like talking about Kamala Harris, Hillary Clinton, like all of this stuff that is a lot more recent. So far, it's been good. Oh yeah, I told myself I was gonna maybe watch Gossip Girl. Gossip Girl is my fall comfort show. Thanksgiving episodes, the best television ever written in the entire world, universe. Before I cozy up on here, I need a pumpkin muffin. Oh my god, you're kidding. You're kidding. I feel like the rest of my life is downhill from here, but I'll take it. Okay, this muffin looks a little a little weird, but look at this. It says Happy Halloween on it. It has an eyeball on the bottom, which is cute, and I think it looks like this because it's a little underdone, but I would prefer it underdone than overdone any day of the week, okay? And then we're gonna we'll do here. Yes. Got my show, got my drink, got my suspicious looking muffin, and then the little pumpkins everywhere. Yes, yes, yes. Everything is falling into place. If you want to make this recipe, I will link it in the description because I'm so serious. It is the best thing I've ever made when I don't overcook it. It's fine though, it's fine. It's so moist and delicious. This little bit of Gossip Girl, decaf iced chai. Come on now. Thank you so much for joining me for this casual whatever vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy fall, happy baking. Hope yours is better than mine.